Actually, this video make in English because of some English people are there in somewhere else. Lot of things happening every day, but our people are have a mindset of our country, our people, our religion, our caste. This kind of mindset, how to grow our people? No way to grow. When we are changed, all are equal, then only the society can change. Nowadays, the technology development is anything happening anywhere, you can know it and change it. So that we are have a self-realization to change something in your mindset is all are equal, then only the society can change. Without change, the technology development is waste.